Pnawn da. Myself and my lovely team are here today to talk to you about the importance of being a part of a community and developing a stronger sense of belonging. But before we start, let's play a quick game. It's called Find Your Match. Some of you may have noticed on arrival that on some of your seats there was a small card with half a word on it. If you have one, stand up and find the person who has the other half. When you find them, high-five them and return to your seats.
That was fun. Now take a look at your card. Each of them represents something important in a community. Words like teamwork, support, kindness, and belonging. What did we just do? We worked together. We communicated. Whether you knew the person you were paired with or not, you just made a connection. That's what community is all about.
So what does it mean to be part of a community? It's more than just living in the same place or going to the same school. It's about feeling like you belong. It's about knowing that you matter.
Now think about a time when you felt left out. Maybe you were the last one picked for a team, or you didn't know where to sit at lunch. It's not a great feeling, right? But now think about a time when someone's included you. Maybe they smiled at you, they invited you in, or asked if you needed help. That small act changed everything.
That's why, as a school, we've been working to build a sense of belonging, not just inside our school walls, but in a wider community. We've been reaching out, helping, volunteering, and making connections. We want our school to be a place where everyone feels welcome, supported, and valued.
We feel it's important to work together as a community, and we would now like to share what we've done within our community. Every last Friday of the month, we host a church service in our local church, where we invite parents in the local community to attend and watch. It's a chance for everyone to come together, and we provide refreshments afterwards. We also took part in Young Leaders Award, where we cleaned up our local church ground.
We also have held after-school events that the community can attend, such as Easter egg bingo, selection box bingo, and flower shows where we make crafts to help for the local event.
We often post invites through the villagers' doors to ask them to attend any events we have going on. Rather if that's the Eisteddfod or sponsored walk, we want to get everyone involved. We have a lovely rapport with our local community, and even our local roofer even came to come and help out with some jobs in our school to say thank you for making him feel so welcome.
We didn't just help others, we built relationships, learnt new things, and became part of something bigger than ourselves.
And when we feel like we belong, amazing things happen. We are happier, we work harder, and we support each other. And we create a space where no one feels alone.
Now let's think about you. What can you do to help others feel like they belong? Maybe it's as simple as smiling at someone in the hallway, inviting someone new to join your group, or getting involved in a community project. Every small action counts.
Now we have a challenge for you. When you leave here today, do one thing, just one thing for your community. That could be inviting them into your school to celebrate all the amazing work you do, or help up clean up the local areas, or make a craft for people in your community to see and to make them smile. We ask you to give it a go.
because together we create the kind of community where everyone belongs, and that's the kind of world we want to live in.
We are all connected. We all belong.
And together we make our community stronger.
So let's go out there
And make a difference.
Diolch am fawr. Thank you for listening.